Are you looking for a new way to make money online in 2023? Look no further than Chat GPT. Chat GPT is an AI-powered language model that can communicate with your customers and generate revenue for your business. With Chat GPT, you can improve your customer service, increase your sales, and even earn money through affiliate marketing. Makeup and the best part? You can make money while you sleep. With Chat GPT working for you 24/7, you can generate passive income and potentially make up to $100 a day or more. Getting started with Chat GPT is easy. Simply sign up for a Chat GPT account and customize your chatbot to fit your brand and audience. From there, you can integrate your chatbot into your website, social media accounts, or other platforms where you communicate with your customers. But Chat GPT isn't just for customer service and affiliate marketing. It can also help you with copywriting and blogging. By using Chat GPT to brainstorm ideas for your blog posts and write compelling headlines, you can attract more readers to your website and increase your conversion. And as you use Chat GPT to optimize your content and marketing campaigns, you'll be able to track your progress and see the impact on your website, traffic, leads, and sales. So whether you're a blogger, marketer, or business owner, Chat GPT can be your secret weapon in 2023 to make $100 a day or more. Start using Chat GPT today and see the results for yourself. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to grow your business with Chat GPT. And don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment below with your thoughts and questions about Chat GPT. We love hearing from our viewers, and we'll do our best to respond to your comments and help you succeed with Chat GPT. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.